Hi, my name is Shikha Mishra. I am from Prayagraj and I am pursuing my MBA program from Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida. Mangalmay is a very innovative and creative institute, and its vision to create innovators and leaders with excellent skill in professional education. It conducts multiple certification courses where we get a chance to learn new things, upgrade our skills, and get a chance to learn different languages. The best part of this college is that a various clubs is created for the management student related to the field where we have to work ahead. Mangalmay MBAs is one of the sought after program in Delhi NCR, backed by acclaimed faculties and stellar placements records. I am happy to be a part of Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology. Thank you.